Hello everybody. Today I will like to discuss about running. So running plays a very important role in improve the health of our body. It improves the overall well-being of our body, and running helps to make our muscles toned. Basically the legs muscles get toned by doing running, and running helps to lose the extra calories from the body, and which will affect to reduce the extra fats from the body. So there are techniques to do running. How to use that techniques? When you start your running, it is really very important to do warming up exercises. Warming up means you have to do jumping jacks, you have to do some stretching exercises, and after doing the stretching exercises, then you can start doing running. But when if you are a beginner, the running should be very slow, the shoes should be cushioned, and try to run on a track which is plain. When you run on a plain track, it will be easy for you to run, and there is less chances of get disbalance, and there are very less chances of get muscle injury. So it is really very important your running shoes that plays a very important role in running. Secondly is your track. So I would prefer, for the extra calorie burns, I would prefer the track should be straight while running or jogging, or if you are doing a normal walk, the track should be straight. It should not be round track. Or if you are going do running on the road, means that the road should be like early morning, it should be like road which should not have any kind of traffic on it. So try to do running on the place where there is no more rush. Secondly, it is very important, when you are going for running, you have to drink lots of water. Before running, you have to drink at least 1 to 2 glasses of water before going for a run. For a week or 2 weeks, you have to run on a very slow pace. Means first you have to start with the jumping jacks, then some stretching exercises, then you can start doing slow running, then you can say that jogging. With the cushion shoes should be there, the shoes should be cushioned, and the track should be plain while running. Second very and the other very most important thing while running is that you have to run and take the steps longer. The steps should be more longer, means the steps should be more wide. Okay, it should not be very close. So when your steps should be more wide, then what happens, the more calories get burned from the body. So it helps for the toning of the body. It helps to reduce the fat from the hip side. It helps to reduce the abdominal fat also, and it helps to reduce the fat from your thighs also, and it really helps to reduce the fat from calf muscles also. So running is really very good and very important for the people, and it really depend on the stamina of a person, and it really depend on the age of a person and their medical condition. If a person who is having arthritis, they are not allowed to do any kind of running, or only simple a slow walk is allowed for a person who is having the problem like arthritis or any other muscular injuries related to knees or any legs. But if a person is a young person, and for the adults, for the kids, for in every age, running is a good exercise to do with. But if we talk about the people who are above 45 or 50 or 60 age, so I would prefer, above 45 age, I would prefer 2000 steps of running, but it in a slow form. It's more than enough for a person who is who really wants to run. But preferably, if a person is a young person, there are 5000 steps in a day it's more than enough, but with that it is very very important to do stretching exercises. It is really very important to take omega 3 omega 6 fatty acids. That omega 3 omega 6 fatty acids can be taken in the form of nuts, or you can take these omega 3 omega 6 fatty acids in the form of almonds, or you can have pumpkin seeds. But for this thing, for the joint flexibility, is really diet again plays a very important role while doing any kind of physical activity, while it's running or gymming or any kind of physical activity. Diet plays an utmost important role. So you should keep in mind when you are going for running, that after when you come back, try to make yourself more hydrated, try to drink a lot of water. So while running there is a lot of sweating, so try to increase the sodium and potassium level in your body. So coconut water is again a very good source of again sodium and potassium. You have to, if you want to go for running and you when you came back, it is really very important to drink a good amount of water, around 3 to 4 glasses of water. And throughout the day again, it is really very important to include more liquids in your diet if a person is running. And for the beginner, I think 30 minutes of running is more than enough. We'll definitely continue with another video where I can discuss more about running, about the techniques of running. Till then, you can start doing the practice, run but in a safer way, run with a good technique, follow a person who is a good runner, and follow all the techniques, which is really very important while doing running. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay healthy. Bye bye.